Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What we're going to do today, if you remember last time, I was going to get some fuse holders, which I have done, and it's these here. So all you do is put the fuse in there and attach these two wires, one on one side, one on the other side, so it's in line. So we'll get that done. We'll tester tape everything up so it looks like an original loom. So I'll get that done and then show you after. So there we go. I've taped the loom up with the tester tape. I've put the fuse holder in, so now you can just pop the fuse out and it's still there and it's disconnected. You can put it back in. I'm only doing this because the ignition is off, so it's powered by the ignition. So when the car's off, it ain't gonna work, but when it's on, it will do. So all that's done. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side off camera. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe.